Before we begin, you can gently close your eyes and allow your whole system to soften. For the next few minutes, you don't need to give anything to anyone. You don't have to show up, explain yourself, or hold space for others. This moment is for you. A quiet room where you are welcome exactly as you are. Maybe you carried other people's energy today. Maybe you are given, listened, held more than you could. Now you get a chance to let that go, to release what isn't yours, and return home to yourself. Sit or lay comfortable and let your body settle. You don't need to be anything for anyone. You can just be here in you, a space where you are safe. Feel your body, your feet, your legs, your hips, your back, your shoulders, and your face. Sense your breath in and out, moving by itself. Now imagine you're surrounded by an energy that protects you. Maybe it appears as golden light. A warm blanket, a soft clock, or simply a feeling of peace around you. This is your boundary, a place where you can be exactly as you are. Maybe you're still carrying something from today, something heavy, noisy, or simply not yours. Breathe in and exhale. Now imagine letting that energy drift away with your breath. Breathe in again and imagine breathing it out. Letting it dissolve and glide away. Say gently to yourself, I release the energy that does not belong to me. Breathe in and exhale that energy, letting it move away with your breath. Release the energy that isn't yours. You don't have to hold anything. You are allowed to take care of yourself. Now give yourself permission to simply be, without carrying anyone else's weight. Now imagine drawing strength into your body, something that nourishes you, calms you, makes you whole. Maybe it comes as light, peace, quiet, say softly to yourself, I protect myself. I choose my own energy. And I'm at home in myself. Feel those words settle into your body as grounding. Notice your breath again, in and out, in your own rhythm. Feel the room you're in. Feel that you are here in you. Begin to move your body gently. Maybe stretch a little. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You are you, and you're allowed to be here. If this pause helped you release what wasn't yours, you're welcome to return to it whenever you need grounding or clarity. Thank you for listening.